Welcome back to Speedbird's Adventures. It's just past 6 am here in Boralanda. Our starting point is Boralanda, a town known for its farming community. And as you can see, my friend Ramesh and me kicking off an epic journey today. We are leaving this beautiful agricultural dominated town behind and heading up into the incredible Horton Plains National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled in the Central Highlands. We are quickly leaving that behind and ascending through these amazing landscapes. Look at this. We are now entering a massive eucalyptus forest plantation established by Forest Department of Sri Lanka. If you look closely, you can see patches of natural forest along the 5 kilometers route. And here we are, the famous Ohiya Railway Station at about 1774 meters elevation. This is one of the most scenic stations on Sri Lanka's upcountry railway line and a major starting point for trekkers. While a particular trail is the most famous and the diagram trail is another gregarious option. I have previously covered diagram to Horton Plains walk in a previous video. Today I am taking the Ohiya Nature Trail. Big thank to Ramesh for the ride. He dropped me off at the Udavaria junction. Alright, the solo hike begins now.
Good morning, my dear friend. Welcome to Speedbird Adventure channel. Today I am climbing another exciting journey from Ohiya to Horton Plains National Park. This is the nature trail from Ohiya station to Horton Plains National Park. Actually, this is a very beautiful nature trail starting from different ecosystem, eucalyptus forest and then natural forest. Then finally we will reach to the Montane cloud forest and wetland grassland. Actually, Horton Plains National Park considered as one of most beautiful national park in Sri Lanka, and also it's considered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to the biodiversity and other ecosystem services. So while walking from here to natural park, I will explain different ecotypes.
The journey starts by crossing through more eucalyptus plantations. But wait, The environment is already changing. Can you hear the wind? I am now entering a cypress forest block, which is part of the Totapolakanda Nature Reserve. The air is getting cooler and the feeling is just wild.
After the eucalyptus plantation, natural forest or cloud forest is starting from here. This is natural forest or cloud forest starting from here to Horton Plains National Park.
Interesting landmark here. This is where the famous Pekoe Trail Stage 11 joins our path. This just shows how interconnected these hiking routes are, and feel that wind now. It's roaring down from the eastern slope of Horton Plains National Park. It's getting misty, cool atmosphere and a bit challenging. The biodiversity is exploding. Look down here, lichens, mosses, countless species of ferns. So many of these are endemic, found nowhere else on earth but Sri Lanka. Okay, this is a proper climb. We have ascended about a kilometer and have officially entered the natural sub-montane forest of the reserve. Hi friend, now I am in between the track of here to Horton Plains National Park. You can feel the nice blowing and nice misty condition. It's a very much actually this is a very beautiful natural park, and this is a cloud forest. You can feel why I am saying cloud forest, because you can see the cloud is blowing through the natural ecosystem. The height of the plant is a little lower than what you have seen down there. Now around 8:30
I took around 1 hour, 1 hour ascending from Ohiya stations to here, but still I have another 3-4 kilometers from here to National Park. Actually, I'm really sorry that my video is not up to the mark. The background noise, and so please bear with me. Actually, it is a heaven of the nature lovers. So I invite all of you to join with me while ascending towards the Horton Plains National Park.
The montane forests are confined to an elevation of 1500 meters and above mean sea level of the land. They are dominated by the plant families like Calophyllaceae, Myrtaceae, Lauraceae, Symplocaceae and Rubiaceae, with the genus Calophyllum of the family Calophyllaceae appearing prominently. In most areas, the understory of the forest is dense and dominated by species of Strobilanthes, bamboo and coleus species. Distinguishing features of its vegetation are short trees with twisted branches, colorful young foliage, relatively small, thick leaves and absence of drip tips. These forests have a lower canopy and dense undergrowth.
Hi friend, this is first signboard of Horton Plains National Park. Now I am officially entering into the Horton Plains National Park. Now I am along the pathway from Ohiya to Horton Place. This is the typical weather condition in the month of July and June, July to August. So you can see the blowing from here and the misty condition. So this is actually typical weather condition of Horton Plains National Park. That is why it is really beautiful, and also it's called cloud forest. So while we are walking, so I can see the different habitats. So you can feel the cool, nice and breezing condition here.
After nearly 3 kilometers of incredible hiking through Montane forest, the moment we have been waiting for. The entrance to Horton Plains National Park. Time to get my ticket and step into this legendary place officially. The park is at about 2000 meters elevation and a part of Sri Lanka's Central Highlands UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2010. Welcome to Horton Plains National Park. This is the Montane cloud forest. It's cool and alive.
Hi friend, now I am officially entered into the Horton Plains National Park. This is the real and this is the typical cloud forest in Sri Lanka, about 2000 meters in Central Highland. So actually it's a very nice and very calm, peaceful environment. You will feel the fantastic view of the cloud forest here. Very important ecosystem when considering the biodiversity and the ecosystem services. Actually, this is considered as a high valued ecosystem due to the biodiversity and the ecosystem services. This national park, including the other Central Highlands, declared as World Heritage Site. So I invite all of you to come and visit the nice, beautiful habitat and protect the nature. That is my humble request you to protect the nature, enjoy yourself, and don't disturb the natural habitat in Sri Lanka, especially in cloud forest.
Everywhere you look, there's life. See these delicate flowers, endemic orchids, and many more plants. The ecosystem is so unique and fragile.
Hi friend, now time is 10 o'clock. Now only I am enjoying my breakfast. Actually I am not a cookie monster in Sesame Street. So this is the Sri Lankan cookie, specially made by Sri Lankan recipe. This is Sri Lankan cookies. Now I am enjoying my cookie. Real tasty.
Notice how these trees are getting shorter. I am moving from the cloud forest into the pygmy forest. The harsh wind and soil condition stunt their growth. And a word of caution, this dense low canopy is a famous hunting ground for Sri Lanka's leopard. See these signs? They are not a joke. While sighting are a thrill for visitors, and fortunately no attacks have been recorded. I am in the territory, I have to be vigilant and respectful. This is why conservation is so vital.
Now I can see nice panoramic view from here to down there. This is Vellavaya and Haldumulla area. Far away I can see some tents there.
This is the iconic ecosystem of Horton Plains National Park, the wet montane grasslands. It's windy, it's misty, it's absolutely spectacular.
This is a dominant grassland in Horton Plains National Park. It's really beautiful.
The wet Patana grasslands are found above 1000 meters altitude and are best seen in Horton Plains. Grasslands are dominated by tussock or clump grasses such as chrysopogon and arundinalia, and dwarf bamboos are close to waterways. A diversity of delicate, small herbaceous species with colorful flowers grows among these grasses. Grasslands play a vital role in the hill country's ecosystem. Unfortunately, human pressure have resulted in the widespread transformation of grasslands into residential areas and agricultural farming fields. The remainder of Patana grasslands are under threat from invasive species such as Panicum mexicum and Eupatorium inofolium. Montane forests help regulate the flow of rivers from their headwater. Cloud forests are unique in which they intercept wind-driven cloud moisture on leaves, branches and on epiphytes, making continuous drip on the ground. The cloud trapping is generally equivalent to 15 to 20% of the ordinary rainfall, but can reach up to 50 to 60% in more exposed conditions. Rhododendron arboreum is commonly found scattered throughout these grasslands. After around 4 hours of walking from Ohiya Railway Station to the Horton Plains National Park, now I am reaching to my final destination there. This is the final destination of today's journey. This is the main office at Horton Plains National Park. Hi friend, now 12 o'clock. I start my journey 7 o'clock in the morning. Now I reach to the final destination of Horton Plains National Park. I spend around 5 hours from Ohiya station to final destination of Horton Plains National Park, that is main office. So you can see the nice panoramic. You can see this is called a small bamboo species which endemic to Sri Lanka, and there are many plant species. Most of them are endemic to Sri Lanka, and today environment is very peaceful and bright sunshine starting from the early morning. have to cross these crystal clear streams. This one is special. This is Belihulluwa, a major tributary of Walaway River. Look carefully in the water. See that plant with the long leaves and tiny flowers? That is Aponogeton jacobidivalis, an endemic and critically endangered aquatic plant. After about 5 hours of walking, I have made it. From eucalyptus plantations to cypress forest, through submontane forest, cloud forest, pygmy forest and these incredible grasslands, through a world of ecosystems to reach the Horton Plains main office. What an unforgettable experience. I highly recommend this adventure, but remember, we are guests in this wilderness. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. Protect this environment so that generation to come and enjoy it too. If you enjoyed this journey from Ohiya to Horton Plains National Park, give these videos a thumbs up and comment below which trail you want to try. Don't forget to subscribe to Speedbird's Adventures and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure exploration. Until next time, keep adventure respectfully.